The blinking orange light on your Rogers Internet box, such as the XB6, XB7, or XB8 models, means it's not getting a signal or hasn't been properly activated. This usually points to a problem with the coaxial cable connection to Rogers' hybrid fiber coaxial network, or an issue during the modem's activation process. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your Rogers Internet box for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This forces the modem to reconnect and can resolve temporary glitches by resyncing with Rogers Hub. While it restarts, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are securely fastened. If problems persist, proceed to Section 2. If the orange light persists after power cycling, use the Rogers app version 5.2 Plus to run diagnostics. This app can automatically detect outages and guide you through fixes, including remote restarts. Ensure that your modem is properly activated with your account. Double-check the account number and modem serial number in the app or on the Rogers website. Rogers is trending towards AI-driven solutions and augmented reality guides within the app to help users with cable checks and troubleshooting. So always check for the latest app updates. Rogers plans to upgrade to XB9 models with 5G backup by 2027, which will reduce signal issues. If all self-help steps fail, contact Rogers support for further assistance.